because sometimes I'm very like, then I can get a bit alienating.
आप मसाले के साथ What is this? What is this? पहले आप मैं अपने
लैंग्वेज बैरियर थोड़ा बहुत बिकॉज वो थी था मैं मुझे अभी भी आई हैव दैट प्रॉब्लम
ये प्रॉब्लम थी.
ये प्रॉब्लम थी नहीं चला मुझे मतलब इंडस्ट्री से निकाल देंगे शायद
उसका तो कोई चांस नहीं लग रहा है. जिशु टच वुड, ऐसा नहीं होगा. मतलब हम आपको बताते हैं इधर नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होगा. नेट जो गेम है वो एफर्टलेसनेस का ही है. अगर आपका एफर्ट दिख गया
तो
किसने
हो गया.
50 करोड़ घंटे का भी एफर्ट किया, आपने वो दिखा दिया,
तो खत्म.
ऑब्वियसली विल. हाँ, पैसा मिल रहा है तो बहुत सीधा. और फिर पर यहाँ पे आँख में उस टाइम वो ना दिख जाए पैसा मिल रहा है, तो कैमरा से तो कुछ भी छुपता नहीं ना.
Okay, a producer offers you double the money, but the script makes zero sense.
Oh, totally bail. Like in the sense of अब मैं तो कर लूँगी.
अपने अपने स्टोरी में हम लोग सब हीरो हैं.
सभी है ना. वही तो.
That's beautiful line actually.
But yet money can't buy a lot. But what money can buy, only money can buy. I'm
कुछ
sorry,
है.
I really feel that's where the decline of television happened, yeah. And daily soaps, it was like, yeah.
It's really tough.
It's a really tough one because I suddenly thought of the character I might get, and I'm like,
Please tell me what were you thinking?
no. अब हम उधर भी आ गए क्या?
नहीं
तो उसके
अगर अगर डायरेक्टर को बोलो सर आपके लिए क्या काम किया आपको रील पे आपका काम को प्रमोट करना पड़ेगा. I was a Raja there and I was wearing nothing in the film. I played a Naga sannyasi.
Now she'll go watch.
I
Nothing.
always thought that about you, Jishu.
নমস্কার আমি যিশু সেনগুপ্ত আমি রয়েছি ফিভার এফএম এ স্তুতির সাথে.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम शिवा चड्डा है ते मैं स्तुति नाल आ गया एते फीवर एफएम हैं.
चंगी गल कीती है
चंगी गल
तुसी.
कीती है मैं.
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया.
सब नींद थकान दूर हो चुकी है. बहुत स्वागत है आप सभी का तारीख पे तारीख के बाद फाइनली आवर डेट विद द ट्रायल की टीम. जीशु सेनगुप्ता, शीबा चड्डा, वेलकम टू फीवर एफएम.
थैंक यू सो मच.
अच्छा, हमने सुना है बहुत ही मतलब नींदें उड़ा के आप लोगों ने काम किया है इसमें.
नहीं आपकी नींदें उड़ेगी. आप देखोगे जब आपको इतना मजा आएगा.
आप तो सो के काम कर लिए.
My question first is going to be directed to Shiva ji, because you were in that the
I
whole
haven't seen anything, ना.
there's
हमको नहीं
so
दिखाते.
much of sass and there was this party scene happening and I loved it. Okay, because you've played a range on screen. You've been this very simple motherly figure, and यहाँ पे your claws are really out. What is the type of roles that you personally enjoy?
Anything that has enough masala in it to dig your teeth in is, I think, what I think all actors enjoy. Anything which really brings you something on the ये रखा है यहाँ पे, आप इसको उठा के इसका क्या पकौड़ा बना सकते हो या क्या बना सकते हो इस मिट्टी का. That really something that's in a more three-dimensional, multi-dimensional way as opposed to just one lens. So yeah. This is good writing.
And I want to ask both of you this question because ये बड़ा अच्छा segue दिया आपने कि माल जिसमें हो, मसाला हो, कि हम उसका क्या बनाएं. Okay, tell me this कि एक actor जब आपको एक script मिलती है, एक किरदार मिलता है, कैसे उसको एक well-rounded 3D personality वो जो बनाने का तरीका है वो क्या है? आप मसाले के साथ What is this? पहले आप मैं अपने. Why are you not answering, Jishu?
No, मैं ना इतना सोचता नहीं हूँ because that's what I was waiting for the answer to that. चुरा के मैं बोल देता हूँ. नहीं, to be very honest, मैं इतना ज़्यादा सोचता नहीं हूँ about a character in the sense, as I was saying, she was there in the earlier interview, that when I get the script or I hear the script, that is only one time which I hear or I read once. उसके बाद 6 महीने बाद हो या 3 महीने बाद हो, जब भी शूट हो, उसके पहले जो सीन हम लोग करने जा रहे हैं, वही सीन उसके पहले वाला रात या इवनिंग को पढ़ लेता हूँ. What I do is only, I believe, and I've been taught also that usually किसी का characteristic बन जाता है within 6 years and 12 years. So it's the upbringing which makes you who you are. It's how you have been brought up. From a rich kid, parents were fighting or parents love each other or whatever, those small things. So उसी से एक characteristic बनता है कोई character का, कोई बंदे का. And that's what I do when I hear or read. वो फिर सेट पे जाते हैं और डायरेक्टर से थोड़ा बात करते हैं. डायरेक्टर प्लस माइनस करते हैं, कुछ मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं, उसी हिसाब से फर्स्ट डे चालू होता है और उसको कंटिन्यू करते हैं बस. I don't think too much. I react on the set. I react with the actors who I'm working with, and that actually helps me a lot. Not that पहले से, इसीलिए मैं dialogues भी बहुत भूलता हूँ. It's not that because I don't learn those lines earlier. I learn them just before the scene,
Right.
so that it comes naturally.
So do you improvise a lot?
हिंदी में उतना कर नहीं पाता हूँ because of my language barrier थोड़ा बहुत, because वो था मैं मुझे अभी भी I have that problem.
ये प्रॉब्लम थी.
ये प्रॉब्लम थी but अभी भी है. Otherwise yes, I try to not improvise much, but yeah, अगर मतलब एक sentence में how are you, I can say so what's up. Probably that's what it is, nothing else. मतलब इतना dramatically change नहीं करता हूँ, but yeah, it helps me. It should come naturally to me. That's how I perceive.
Lovely. Shiva?
Yeah, it's quite like I'm a copycat of Jishu.
जो पहले जवाब दे साथ वाला उसका कॉपी.
नहीं really यार, मतलब वही I also मैं नहीं सोचती हूँ ज़्यादा at all. और होमवर्क तो मैंने वाकई मतलब ये बदतमीजी है या जो भी है, I don't know, but that's not my
You
way.
don't do homework?
None whatsoever.
No,
I
but
wouldn't
what
even
about-
know what to
No,
do.
Shivaji, it is what I understand. There are actors who
Who
does
do.
that.
They-
There are a lot of
they-
actors like us also who doesn't
don't do.
who doesn't
सब थोड़े
prepare.
करते हैं यार. It's
You-
your way.
देखो,
वो
you
जो
know.
method actor लोग मतलब scene में
That is
वो
also- that is
बहुत
also
ghetto.
one way.
किसी को
You guys are not that.
Not
You never
at
Me too,
all.
absolutely. And now
I'm
today I understood from her
not
that she also is
at
absolutely
all. Not at all.
So you will
Intuition.
switch off. You हो गया character घर गए and you're
switch off तो वो तो हाँ मतलब if to put it in that way, I मतलब जो कोई method actor भी हो वो अच्छा वो तो अच्छा उसका switch on ही रहेगा. Just like me very sad यार बेचारे का
Yeah.
life ही
No,
क्या
but we've
है.
heard of actors who say, you know, we were prepping for 6 months. I didn't meet people, or you know, my
So then
family
no,
said I was in a dark
then,
space or
हाँ,
something.
so I
मर
wouldn't.
जाऊंगा मैं.
हाँ, मैं तो नहीं, I cannot
नहीं,
live
नहीं,
like
अगर
that.
एक रिक्शा वाला का रोल करना है
हाँ, तो फिर मैं रिक्शा ही चलाता रहूंगा.
6 महीने के लिए
They were
खाना
like,
पीना
हाँ.
छोड़ के no way.
So really no, not at all.
But that is also a way.
Of course that's a way.
I'm
So
not saying that
sometimes you know, having said that, I think कि कभी किसी रोल के लिए अगर वो it requires observation of another level of something, then maybe you know, like, but till date whatever kind of roles one has done, never ever have I जो जिसको होमवर्क बोलते हैं ना, तो ये एक मैं शो और करती हूँ जिसमें कि बहुत ज्यादा होमवर्क की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है क्योंकि आई एम प्लेइंग अ क्लासिकल सिंगर.
Yeah,
That's a separate thing.
yeah.
That's a separate issue. You have to know the
I
method.
did not. So it's a joke. It is a joke in the unit, which is that बाकी सब ने कर लिया रिहर्सल.
आपने
आप
नहीं.
कब आओगी? तो I don't. I am very very bad. तो बदतमीजियाँ बहुत. That's a बदतमीजी. But you know what I'm saying? It's just on my way. So it's a real problem for me to do prep. I just so.
Listen,
But
so another
still-
way of
still
saying
this-
these two are that gifted कि कितना effortless लगता है. It looks like you guys have put in so much effort and you
No,
know.
you have to
Hey,
learn
learn.
something for the role. That is a separate, like classic. She didn't, but probably I will learn. Okay, I'm a musician, so probably I don't need to learn that. But if I, एक पायलट अगर हो, कौन सा स्विच पहले ऑन करते हो तो
वो
मुझे
तो
जानना
करना ही
होगा.
पड़ेगा
वही
यार.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
वो तो
वो तो
बहुत-
जानना पड़ेगा ना.
Yeah, yeah.
ये ऊपर वाला या नीचे
पर
वाला.
मैं कोशिश करूंगी कि वो मैं सेट पे जाके कर लूं. मुझे पहले ना बुला के कराना पड़े आपको. But मेरे को कुछ
We are
नहीं
lazy
आता.
actors,
We are very
basically.
lazy. I have to say I'm one of the laziest
We are lazy
actors
actors.
you will ever meet.
बड़े gifted हैं ये आराम
But
से
effortless
बजाते
की जो you know what you're saying ना, that is the net जो game है वो effortlessness
Just
का ही है. अगर आपका effort दिख
दिख गया तो वो
किसने
तो हो गया.
50 करोड़ घंटे का भी effort किया,
Yeah,
अगर आपने वो
yeah,
दिखा
yeah.
दिया,
तो खत्म.
yeah, the game is about not showing, no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's so true. A trial या bail. Okay, so either you're going to fight this, go for a trial, or you're like, I'll bail.
Whether you're for it or you're not. That's-
Basically, okay. So you're offered a role in a 500 episode daily soap with overnight shoots.
Totally bail. Like not even a thought.
Really? You, अगर आपकी मतलब character भी amazing हो.
Totally bail.
क्यों?
Totally bail यार.
रात को ना सो के.
रात को ना सो के
पाँच-
डेली सोप
500 episode?
मुझे पहले तो एक दिखाओ डेली सोप जिसमें कुछ काम में मतलब आई एम
कुछ
सॉरी
है.
आई रियली फील दैट्स वेयर द डिक्लाइन ऑफ टेलीविजन हैपेंड या एंड डेली सोप्स इट वाज लाइक या Yeah.
But देखिए सोना बड़ा
So-
I like that my guests have their priorities straight. I love it. Okay. The director says we'll fix everything in VFX, but you know that the scene is a mess.
Sorry.
The director says मैं संभाल लूँगा edit पे, but you know, but you know it's a mess. Look at them laughing. What is this?
No, this I think we'll both go for trial.
Yeah, totally.
सर
करो,
और एक बार
फिर
ले
से
लो ना
करो,
सर
हाँ,
सर एक बार
फिर
ले
से
लो
करो।
कितना कैमरा तो
Yeah.
हटना भी नहीं सर लाइट्स भी वहीं पे है ले लो
Yeah.
तो 30 seconds टाइम
Not bad.
My
Okay.
God. अब अगले दिन तो कोशिश करो सेट पे ही ना हो।
सभी तो
Yeah,
VFX में हो रहा है
yeah.
ले लो
ये तो
मैं फोटो भेज देता हूँ आपको
डायरेक्टर
Okay. You're on set and someone else gets your vanity van with AC while you wear a tent.
oh please
ये तो हुआ नहीं अब तक
हाँ ये
हुआ
तो
ना।
मतलब डबल ट्रायल
डबल ट्रायल
सीजन 1 और 2 के जितना
ट्रायल एंड
टाटा
बाय
टाटा
टाटा
Okay. A producer
टेंट
offers.
नहीं टाटा
Love it.
Sorry.
Okay. A producer offers you double the money, but the script makes zero sense.
oh totally bill like in the sense of अब मैं तो कर लूंगी is it a lot of money
A lot of money what is the
like a
It-
lot
What is a lot of money for you?
look डबल थोड़ा अगर
How
ऊपर हो
many zeros would you like?
तो डबल और थोड़ा अगर कर लेंगे
what would you है ना
हाँ
Yeah.
कौन छोड़ेगा
Overnight
Yeah.
shoots भी कर लोगे?
हाँ
हाँ,
उसमें
तो
बस
फिल्म है
हाँ,
ना फिर कितने दिन करेंगे
You get a biopic offer, but the character is someone you don't like in real life.
this is a tough one
Yes, really tough.
it's a really tough one because I have suddenly thought of the character I might get and I'm like
Please tell me what were you thinking?
no
But उसके ऊपर बायोपिक फिर बनाएगा कौन इफ दैट कैरेक्टर इज
नहीं,
नॉट
बनाने वाले तो
लवेबल
बहुत
है।
हैं।
नहीं लवेबल अगर नहीं है दोस्त कैरेक्टर को देखेगा कौन
enough है
है
Yeah.
that would be a tough one I really don't know how to
I don't
answer
know,
this
yeah, this
कितना
is-
पैसे दे रहे
पैसा और नींद देखिए लाइफ में ये तो चलती रहनी चाहिए okay you're asked to promote okay, I want to know the answer to this you're asked to promote a film by making daily reels on Instagram
no way I still don't do मतलब
Daily
बोला की है
reels मैंने तो कभी नहीं किया
I will not do it that's what I'm saying
हाँ I've
करूँगा
never
नहीं
made a reel
मैं हाँ बोलूँगा कर लूँगा पैसा ले लूँगा
और फिर करूँगा नहीं
ये नहीं करूँगा प्रमोशन के लिए ये नहीं करूँगा
Yeah, we shouldn't be asked to do that for promotion. Yeah, that's
फिर
like
फिल्म के क्या बनाया
crazy
आपने
है।
तो ये तो बोलूँगा
और फिर हमारा काम
मतलब-
अब हम उधर भी आ गए क्या
नहीं
तो उसके
अगर डायरेक्टर को बोलो सर आपके लिए क्या काम किया होगा आपको रील में आपका काम को प्रमोट करना पड़ेगा
हाँ, ये तो अगर ना बोल पाओ तब
तब
फिर भी बोल दूंगा सर ये कैसे हो गया सर
वो बोलेगा मैं क्या करूँ वो तो प्रोड्यूसर कह रहे हैं फिर अब क्या बोलोगे
मुझे ऐसे क्यों लग रहा है I've touched a nerve
रील मेकिंग एंड ऑल लाइक नो इफ
too
इट्स
much,
योर
huh?
चॉइस बिल्कुल
yeah okay
बट या
Okay, now this is a final one. You're working with the biggest of stars, well-known director, but the condition is that you only have to stick to the script, not allowed to improvise.
Done.
done I mean it's a tough one थोड़ा but it's done totally
Done.
yeah
Of course. It's,
totally
At the end of the day, it's director's vision. So जहाँ पे हम लोग improvise भी करते, if director says भाई इतना मत जा, we have to come back. It's his vision. He has seen the film before he has come.
Yeah.
Usually
Yeah.
the director
Yeah.
has seen from the first scene to the last scene, and he comes on set. So उसका.
complex है थोड़ा ये भी you know what I mean
But usually
Because, yeah,
directors let you improvise.
Yeah.
always
It's a betterment of the film or the project. But if the director says no, then I've done a
Yeah.
film with a
Yeah.
director like that, and I've done 9 films back to back with him in Bengal. It's Mysteries Mukherjee.
Yeah, I was just gonna
And she says, "नहीं ये जो लिखा है यही बोल."
हाँ.
There are a lot of times
Yeah.
it has happened.
मतलब एकदम किल्ला मार के वही
हाँ. I've done a film called Anjichlo Raja. It got I think 4 or 5 national awards
Yeah.
also.
you've seen it
Yeah,
ये बंगाली
I'm half Bengali.
देखा था
So, when I was a Raja there and I was wearing nothing in the film. I played a Naga Sannyasi.
Now she go watch.
I
Nothing.
always thought that about you Jishu लग रहे थे तुम ऐसे हाँ चैतन्य महाप्रभु से street
But coming back to what you said, is yeah, he at times
Has that condition.
यही बोलना है जो लिखा है वही बोल.
जीशु से मैंने एक सवाल पूछा था कि आप अपने कैरेक्टर्स को जज करते हैं नहीं and he said I never do that how do you make peace with characters जो जिनका वैल्यू फैब्रिक शायद the real Shiva से बिल्कुल मेल ना खाता.
हाँ तो ऐसे है बिकॉज जज करोगे तो फिर कहीं तो आ ही जाएगा बट you're also a human like I played like in a film a very dark character
Yeah.
in my head it was like oh my goodness but you have to you have to say something to yourself to come to a
Convince
neutral space about not having a judgment about it you obviously
मिल
will
रहा है,
हाँ पैसा मिल रहा तो बहुत सीधा और फिर पर यहाँ पे आँख में उस टाइम वो ना दिख जाए पैसा मिल रहा है तो कैमरा से तो कुछ भी छुपता नहीं ना तो something you have because every person who's doing whatever crap that they're doing the right thing no I don't think anybody's thinking कि oh मैं उसको मार रहा हूँ तो मैं कितना खराब हूँ but the thing is maybe
What Umesh ji
वजह
said
से
that is very true. अपने अपने स्टोरी में हम लोग सब हीरो हैं.
सभी है ना वही तो
That's a beautiful line actually.
Yeah.
मैंने हो सकता है in the entire film he's a villain, he's a hero, he's a heroine, ये character roles कर रहे हैं जो भी है. But from
In
each
his story,
point, from his point of view or her point of view, he or she is the hero.
Yeah.
So, but you certainly can have an issue with that morality many places, but that's something you really have to समझदारी से समझ के उसके साथ में आपको चलना पड़ता है.
तो इसी बात पे आप मुझे बताइए कि in this season, the trial में what is the one thing that you love about your character and the one thing that you hate in her, and the same for you.
जल्दी जल्दी सोचो.
Love and hate about my character. He's too passionate. What I hate about it, hate नहीं बोलूँगा. Hate is it's a very
Yeah.
strong word. Is that he's too passionate about his career. For that he can do a lot of things,
Yeah.
which probably personally I will not do. I will not go to that extent to get my way out. And the other person which I love about it, he loves his family. He loves his family to that extent that he can also try not to be so passionate about his career. So ये जो dilemma है, ultimately क्या होता है तो season 2 देखना पड़ेगा. 19th of September.
19th of September
Jio
Jio
Hotstar.
Hotstar.
बहुत ही खूबसूरती से ये जो आपने plug in करा है. Yeah, the one thing that you love and hate.
I think she's very solid. She's very solid. She's
Hey, this is what you don't like.
I like.
अच्छा.
Oh shit, she's solid. I hate it.
अब बिचारी क्यों नहीं है?
हाँ बेचारी. हाँ माने solid है. But
Very suave also.
Yeah.
This is too. Everything is
You know,
there.
like
You
she
have-
speaks with the looks. I love that.
the way. जितने भी last season, this season, we have almost have not met. No, we have.
No,
sorry,
we
sorry,
were
sorry,
in the
of course,
party
of
scene,
course.
I think,
Party
no?
The
Yeah.
way you have, which I love about it, which was a solid. I would say the slay, the charisma.
Yeah,
she
the
had.
sass that she has. That's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. That party scene where you're like, hello. You're like,
Yeah, I
I
love
love
it.
that.
I love it.
So you love that she's solid.
and yet also of course has a shadow.
But what is it that you don't like?
The fact that maybe she can be a bit alienating, na? Which I can also get like that in life because sometimes I'm very like, then I can get a bit alienating, and she is like that,
Gone.
है ना? हाँ.
मैं हूँ,
Or
but
people
मैं
can
नहीं.
find her, a bit. What is the word? Intimidating.
Intimidating.
Yeah.
But which is not a bad thing. I think
Yeah.
it's
As long as you're not doing it, when you know. Sometimes when we're doing it, we know I'm intimidating because I आओ ही मत मेरे पास, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Sometimes
yeah.
we do that.
that's
So,
how you're setting your boundaries.
Yeah, but sometimes if you're not careful, that can get
Correct.
You don't realize it कि अब ज़्यादा ही boundary हो गई है.
बीच में हमने ये वर्ड सुना ना कि पैसा पैसा आंखों में दिखना नहीं चाहिए. This is my favorite question to ask all my women guests, the superwomanias who come on my show, which is, have you now, because women have this imposter syndrome that we're dealing with all our lives, have you now reached a stage in your life where it's easy for you to negotiate money?
I never had a problem negotiating money. My relationship with money is very clear. I don't think it's a woman thing, it's a people thing. I think people's relationship with money is very murky. People normally don't know where they stand with money. It's a very चाहिए भी नहीं भी चाहिए पर या तो बहुत चाहिए
दिखाना नहीं है कि चाहिए पर चाहिए.
I feel people have a very complex relationship. I think from just by grace of God, I've been gifted with great clarity about money. I'm very clear where I stand with money. So I have never had any
What
problem.
does this mean?
It means I know what place it has in my life or as I perceive money as an energy to be. It's a very, very powerful energy. And what money can buy, only money can buy.
Correct.
Yet money cannot buy many things. Many, I'm using the word things, but yet money can't buy a lot. But what money can buy, only money can buy. So I have no, it's a really powerful energy. Yeah, and I respect it a lot.
So it's easy for you to quote the price that you think you deserve.
No problem at all. I may not get it.
Have you walked away?
No, but deservability issues अलग होते हैं,
हाँ.
है ना? I can say कि I probably need to get 10 rupees for this, whereas my manager will say, no, you need to get 15. But I'll say, no, वो देंगे नहीं. That's another thing. That's not money. That's self-esteem.
And parity
Deserve-
and about
parity,
women.
तो वो तो you know. Again, it's like I want to, like I've said it. I want to know on paper कि ऐसा है क्या really कि the same role के लिए, same type के role के लिए with the same body of work for a male actor and a female, is it true that a male actor would get literally without even asking be offered more or you know?
I think in a lot of industries that is true. That is
in our
really
industry though it's 100%
Yeah.
said, yeah. But man, I would love, you know what I mean?
I'll tell you,
I'd love
in
to
my
know this.
industry, it's long time back. It's not. I don't know. You have heard Uttam Kumar? Have
Yeah.
you heard?
Yeah,
Have you heard of
who-
Suchitra Sen?
I mean,
Yeah.
half Bengali, of course.
do you know the story of their money?
Yeah.
Suchitra Sen used to take
Yeah.
more money than Uttam Kumar throughout.
But is that one
One,
example?
yeah.
Jishu.
No, there are. There
Because
are.
with her, she's like a
Yeah.
goddess.
No, there are.
When you think of
I
the-
don't want to name, but there are. In my industry, I know. She's playing the heroine, and there's a hero also there. Who has probably the heroine has done more films. Hero has not done that many films. The heroine has got more money than the hero.
That's amazing to hear, yeah, because
So I have.
No, there are few instances like that. Like Sridevi would,
Yeah,
you
would
know,
charge
Ah,
more.
but I'm saying when we have to quote this, you know what I mean? We have to
Correct,
quote it as
correct.
one
It's not the
example.
norm.
It's not the norm.
parity nahi hai. Matlab,
हाँ.
yeah.
In this industry, but other industry, I'm sure there are. But there are
Corporate
so many
sector.
CEOs who are women who are running the companies and all. They're
But
getting
slowly, that change is slowly happening. But
That was always there.
और हमारा कोई systematic
हम
नहीं
लोग
है
का
ना
system नहीं
industry.
है।
You know what I mean?
हम लोग का industry का कोई
People
system
are
नहीं है।
making it as it go
Why
along.
क्यों नहीं है? Because we don't get the same money in every project we're
Correct,
doing.
correct.
I'm getting an X amount for like 2 rupees for one project. Next project I have quoted 10. I've got 8.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Next में मुझे मिला है कि मुझे घर से कुछ लेके जाना पड़े. But I want to do the role. I'm doing
Yeah,
it.
yeah, that तो
Yeah.
So
constantly.
there are a lot of so we don't
तो
have a
है ही।
structured payment structure नहीं है यहाँ पे.
Correct.
It's like sometimes how to
Friday इधर उधर होता है.
property agents ना they
हाँ.
quote whatever they want for a flat on one एक ballpark figure होगा
Yeah.
but you know it can be nicely ऊपर नीचे
And
It's
it depends on the Fridays also.
yeah true that
अब मेरा चल गया तो मैं सीधा
Yeah.
50x मांग लूंगा. नहीं चला मुझे मतलब इंडस्ट्री से निकाल देंगे शायद.
उसका तो कोई चांस नहीं लग रहा है
हाँ,
जोशु
वो-
टचवुड ऐसा नहीं होगा मतलब हम आपको बताते हैं इधर वो नहीं ऐसा नहीं होगा
बहुत ही बढ़िया. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much.
जुलाई what has got I don't
जुलाई
know what
नहीं.
am I doing
सर
September.
मैडम जो
हमने
आप लोग
shooting
देख रहे हैं-
जुलाई में किया है क्या?
नहीं 19th of September. Okay,
Jio
not July.
Hotstar 19 सितंबर Jio Hotstar
ट्रायल सीजन 2 प्यार कानून धोखा प्लीज देखिए.
सब कुछ ज्यादा है इस बार
बहुत ही बढ़िया.
या